Hey, XL Bully fam. Jeremy back here with Brian with Canine Solutions, and we are going to go over our next round of training with Apollo.
We're going to show you a couple things today. First thing is going to be how to prevent your dog from chewing on everything. 2, potty training. 3, crate training. We have an exercise here laying some things out that dogs normally like to chew on. We got a sock, shoe, hat, headphones. We're going to lay him down, see what he chooses. When he chooses nothing, we're going to give him a treat. If he chooses that dinosaur, we're going to reward him. If he chooses anything else, we're going to ignore those undesired behaviors. That's even okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's good for now. Good boys. If every time that you drop your puppy or put it on the ground and it goes for a sock and you say, hey, no, don't take that sock, and you pull on that sock, you're actually rewarding them to get that sock. Chew on that. Gonna go back to it? Good. That's okay. So a sit is a desired behavior. We're gonna reward that. Did I ask for it? Nope. While we're here, we're gonna cover some sits. Puppies learn in pictures. If you present a picture, they respond the same way consistently. If he's always sitting in front of me, that's kind of a problem, because whenever I answer the door, I want to be able to have him sit next to me, facing this way, so I can say sit and stay, and go over here and open the door. Standing up straight, facing this way so he can see that picture, boom, reward him. Eye contact, good. I have the treats over here, over this way, kind of hidden. I want that eye contact, so that way I know he's paying attention to me, not just my hands. One great tip for you guys, always reward desired behaviors. The mind naturally rewards the undesired behaviors, and we ignore the desired behaviors. If a kid or a dog or a puppy is over there being quiet for the first time in a while, that is a desired behavior. We naturally are like, whoa, don't bother them. We are ignoring that desired behavior. And what happens is they do that less and less and less. What we want to do, we want to reward those desired behaviors. From the first video, we went over the timing of every time that they eat, they drink, when are they going to go to the bathroom next. I think he's going to go pretty soon.
Come on, Apollo.
We had a timer set, about 8 minutes exactly. We had him go out, practice the doggy door, practice going downstairs, and then going to the bathroom. And as soon as he hit his feet to that ground, he was, oh, I got to go. That was perfect. What we're going to go over real quick is how to actually get them to enjoy the crate. First things first, we're gonna get the crate here, leave the doors wide open, and let him just enjoy being in here. And once he does, we're gonna be right here, give him some pets, give him some of that attention. And let's just set him just kinda in between the toys and the open gate right there. See what he chooses to do. Good, let's go ahead and open this as well. So both doors are open. He can go in and out as he freely chooses. Good boys, perfect, perfect. If he fully lays down, go and give him some pets. Perfect, right there.
Good boy.
We're gonna do some delayed reinforcement. Wait about 10 seconds, give him some more pets.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
He's doing great. He's doing really good with this. So if you have a dog that doesn't wanna stay in the crate, just absolutely hates the crate, leave both doors open where they can freely go in and out and make it the most comfortable spot in the room. Go on a run, go on a walk, get them tired, and when they want to chill out and relax, they're going to find that comfortable spot. They're going to feel it. Ooh, this is kind of nice. And don't close it on them. Just reward them, give them a treat, give them some pets for going in there, and you'll see a massive rise in your success rate. Clearly you can tell we've done a great job of just letting him just enjoy the crate. If you kind of step out the door and you can wait like 10 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, and come right back in, boom, that's a success. Then do it for 10 minutes. Do it for 15. He's gonna start seeing, oh, when you leave, you come back. Quick recap on what we covered today. We got the crate training, did great. We did a lot of the distractions. What's he gonna chew on? What's he gonna choose? Last thing was the potty training. Potty training went awesome. He's liking that feel of where he pees versus here. So he's doing really good.
We are super impressed with Apollo. He's been doing a great job. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button and keep coming back for more.